Uh, well, we are fairly far advanced. We've had discussions with very eminent jurists, both within Barbados and outside of Barbados. And I think that process is fairly far along, but obviously there are some physical challenges that we have. We had anticipated we'd anticipated having those appointments made by 1st of September. Certainly that's what the Prime Minister and they assured the country. The challenge is that some of the individuals with whom we've had discussions, whether they express their willingness, they're actually committed in other jurisdictions to performing judicial duties. And I mean, the point about judicial responsibility is they don't just drop it. So those individuals will not be available to service our court needs until, in one instance, January, and in another instance, a little later in the year. But we think that the caliber of individual that we're going to is very high, and we expect that they will be able to do a tremendous job in helping us to get rid of some of the backlog. The other difficulty that we have then becomes one of resources. We all know we have a financial challenge, but the High Court is expected to be available to us in January. A few of the items have ended up they've been costed for, in some respects, significantly more than had been anticipated by the technical people in the ministry. So we have to make some financial adjustments. We've had one or two other challenges which have come up in relation to the existing White Park Road premises. So these are the kinds of things that you can't absolutely predict. So I anticipate, while I'm still working towards a January restoration of full court service at White Park Road, there is the slight possibility of a small delay. Now, even if we were to be in a position to recruit those judges immediately, we would have to find space for them. Obviously, the facilities at Manor Lodge did not contemplate having 2 or 3 additional High Court judges, so you would actually have to find additional space. We did have a discussion with the Defence Force, especially in relation to the 2 criminal courts. We wouldn't have to do too much there, but in circumstances where the judges are not going to be available to us until January, there's little point making that financial outlay at this step. But we remain committed to it, and anticipate then that very early in the new year, we would see, in the first instance, 2 temporary judges, and a little later on, a 3rd temporary judge. Let me just remind the country that by temporary judge, it's not an appointment in the nature of a judge appointed because another judge is going on holiday. Our Constitution provides that when the business of the court is such that the Chief Justice considers it prudent to find additional judicial minds, the request can be made for the Governor General to make those appointments. So those appointments are, while they are temporary, they are not in the nature of an acting appointment, as in the case, for example, of the 2 acting judges who have just been appointed to serve while judges are on holiday, in one case for 6 weeks and in the other case for 4 weeks.